How's it going? It's actually a pretty quick fix for this one. I was really surprised. I thought it'd be a lot harder. I was getting ready to order parts and everything else. I'm still going to order parts and replace some of my resistor packs and recap my audio section just because. But hooked up the logic probe, got ready to do some stuff, looked at the schematics, and noticed about 2 chips upstream from where I was going to start probing, there was a PROM. That's at 1D. And with the luck I've had on PROMs on this piece of crap, if you recognize what this is, it's pole position. Consider my luck with PROMs on this, I went ahead and just put the logic probe up and replaced the PROM. I had a spare Galaga board set, so I took the PROM off of it and slapped her in here and good to go. Try to get up to the point where the audio would have been messed up. There we go. And let's get to the tractor beam. Which doesn't really sound all that different, but just to show. Much better. So, there we go. That audio's fixed. No more desire to strangle kittens and set this machine on fire, so that's nice. I'm not sure if you picked up in the last video, but that last sound in the last video, the throbbing, incredibly annoying. I literally haven't played this machine more than a couple times because every time I hear that sound, I just want to, like, I don't hear it during the track mode, and I really like the track mode because it makes, you know, a home arcade feel like an actual arcade because Galaga sound is just part of what an arcade's about, you know, when I grew up. So, so that's done. I can actually play some Galaga now without wanting to hurt somebody. So, there we go. Yeah. All right. Well, y'all take it easy. Later. Oh, hey, guys on KLOV, thanks for the help, for real. Thank you. Take it easy. Later.